Are you ready for the most amazing online class? The wait is finally over. Presenting our amazing butter cakes masterclass. Learn the fundamental techniques on how to make the softest, moistest, most buttery butter cakes in 6 delicious flavors: vanilla, chocolate, red velvet, espresso, matcha, and chocolate marble. But wait, that's not all. Included are recipes for 6 heavenly glazes to make your butter cakes stand out from the rest. So join me in this exciting and most awaited amazing butter cakes masterclass exclusively at the Bailiwick Academy.